Hey guys, Mark here. If you've kept up with my videos, you know that I like to shoot photography, but I've been shooting photos and videos for a long time. I'd never put them out for people to purchase, which I have recently. If you go in the description, you'll see by my prints. I have actually put some of my landscape photography up for sale. I've been hiking and taking landscape photos for a long time. And I've always done it for me, nobody else. I never thought anybody would actually enjoy my photos. That's why I've never done it. And you can pick up a couple of my prints that looks, like this or like this. But I do have an Instagram, which is the Hiking Bigfoot. So go check that out. I post a lot of photos from my trips and my hikes and backpacking trips and what have you. So I've been getting a lot of questions, especially on Instagram, saying, what camera are you using to get those shots of waterfalls with the long exposure? What kind of lens are you using? So when I tell them I'm using my iPhone, they think I'm lying. Especially this photo right here. This is a waterfall long exposure picture that I took with an iPhone. It even prints out really nicely. I thought everybody knew about this, apparently not, so I want to show you real quick how to use this feature if you have an iPhone. First, what you're going to want to do is open the camera app. And when you do, you're gonna see the little icon up in the right corner. That is the live button. Make sure live photos is on. Now, unless you got steady hands, I would definitely recommend using a tripod, especially if you're at a waterfall. That way it is still. And you don't want any shake in the photo either, because then the whole thing will look blurry. So now what you're gonna wanna do, set your scene, focus, take your photo, and then after your photo is processed and it pops up, just swipe up on the photo. Then you're gonna see something that says effects, and right under that, you're gonna see live, bounce. At the very end of that will be long exposure. All you do is click that image, and then your iPhone will automatically generate a long exposure for you. Nowadays with phones, especially iPhones, you don't need a DSLR or a heavy camera to take long exposure photos anymore. And that's how I take long exposure photos when I just have my phone. Now this isn't to replace your DSLR if you take it with you, but if you're out on a day hike and you want to get that long exposure feel, you can do it with your iPhone. So definitely check it out, use it, let me know what you guys think. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please consider liking and subscribing. And as always, I'll see you in the next one.